Struggling to reconcile your bank accounts with your accounting software? Imagine a world where your transactions automatically sync, categorize, and even match up perfectly. That's not a fantasy. It's the power of integrating your Relay account with QuickBooks or Xero. 4 years, manually inputting transactions, exporting data, and trying to make sense of everything has been a major headache for business owners. It's not just time-consuming, it's also prone to human error, which can lead to miscalculations, messy books, and a whole lot of stress come tax season. But Relay isn't just another business bank account. It was built with modern business needs in mind, and that includes seamless integration with the tools you already use. Connecting your Relay account to QuickBooks or Xero is like flipping a switch on your financial workflow. Here's how it works. Once you link your accounts, every transaction, whether it's an expense, a deposit, or a transfer, flows directly into your accounting platform. No more manual data entry. No more chasing down missing receipts. The data is live, accurate, and ready for you to review. QuickBooks users will find their Relay transactions appearing in the bank feed, ready to be reviewed, categorized, and matched to existing invoices or bills. And with Xero, it's the same story. Your Relay transactions populate in the Reconcile tab, making it a simple one-click process to approve and match each item. This automated process gives you a real-time, accurate picture of your business's financial health, so you can make smarter decisions faster. Beyond just syncing transactions, these integrations also help you streamline other tasks. You can set up rules to automatically categorize common expenses, saving you even more time. The clean, consistent data flowing from Relay means your reports are always up to date and reliable. If you're ready to stop juggling spreadsheets and start focusing on growing your business, it's time to connect your Relay account to QuickBooks or Xero. You'll not only save time and reduce errors, but you'll also gain peace of mind knowing your books are always in order. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.